Okay, so we're starting this video for this Smart Brabus 4G15T petrol turbo at this point because Richard has just completed an exhaust system from the dump pipe back, as you can see. Oh, lovely, lovely, Richard.
Well, we've gone for the eBay first decap pipe.
Yeah, because that's going to remove the first cap.
The first cap, we've gone for the Scorpion second decap section.
Yeah.
Then gone, because this is a Brabus, and at the moment, Scorpion catback systems are not available.
That's not available till June.
Not available till June. We've stepped it up from 2 1/4 to 2.5, so the customer's got a better exhaust, in my opinion, than he perhaps would have had from Scorpion anyway, because it's a ½ inch bigger, or 1/4 inch bigger.
1/4 inch.
So stepped it up to 2.5, done him a nice resonated system with a nice back box, and gone with the Brabus twin tip that they obviously normally sort of have anyway, to try and keep it looking as OEM as possible from the back.
Looks mint. I like it.
Come out really, really nice. Really happy with that. Done a lot of other work on
Yeah,
this
whilst we're in here, Jason, what else have we done? We've definitely done rear beam bushes.
Rear disc and pads, for sure.
And calipers.
And calipers.
Rear disc pads and calipers. So we've gone for a EBC disc yellow stuff pad.
We've done Brady brake lines. Brady brake lines.
Yeah, Brady brake lines all around.
Ooh.
It's had a stage 1 DynoDaze clutch.
Yeah, and flywheel.
Yeah, and light and flywheel. Timing belt.
Timing belt. Had a CV
CV boot. Front disc and pads as well.
Yeah. With the front Brady lines.
Sad. Spark plugs, oil and filter.
Yeah.
Gearbox oil.
Induction kit.
Induction kit, yeah, that Richard's made.
Yeah. It's had a lot of stuff to be fair.
Yeah, so the next part of this video will be this on the dyno, being mapped with EcuTek software. Aiming for stage 1 sort of power, just over 200 brake, 225 foot power torque. We'll see how we get on.
Yeah, it's had some fucking work, ain't you, thinking about it?
Yeah, it's had quite a bit in, ain't it?
Yeah, so you can pay for it.
You can. Just a quick one, we've got a Mazda MX-5 race car that competes. So again, Jason and Richard have been doing a lot of work on that one. And then another video that'll be uploaded shortly is this Mitsubishi Colt CZT in Asbo Orange. People! Is it warm in there, bro?
No, it seems everyone wants to be a little bit awkward today. Doesn't want to play ball straight off the bat. You know what I mean?
So a problem has been rectified, Richard. We needed a boost solenoid, didn't we? Actually died on the dyno.
Yes.
Quite unusual. So there's the graph, and that's what we end on today on the Brabus. we've got ourselves 218 brake and 208 foot-pound of torque.
Life moves pretty fast.